Hi, Dr. McCollum here, and so today's lesson is about stem cells. So everybody's heard about stem cells by now. What are they? How do I get more of them? And what do they do for me? So stem cells are basically when you are conceived, an egg and a sperm come together, that's a stem cell. That one cell in 9 months turns into something like 75 trillion cells, all going into different organs, limbs, muscles, hearts, eyeballs, all that stuff comes from one single cell that can become any part of your body. So on the 15-day challenge, as we get your body to break down the old, dying, and sick cells, which we talked about autophagy previously, your body's now going to start to proliferate or grow new stem cells. Those new stem cells are going to go replace and repair various organs and tissues in your body. And also it's going to help boost your immune system because some of those stem cells are going to become new immune cells. So basically, through our challenging your body, we're going to help it learn how to make more stem cells so that you can be happier, healthier, and enjoy your life.